Hello everybody, Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at software engineering practices. Before that, I'm Anushka, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today we shall be targeting at software engineering practices, which comes under the course of software engineering, software project management in the course of engineering. Software engineering practices. What is it? It is basically the fundamental practices that shape effective software development from agile methodologies, which has been used widely these days, to version control. Explore the essential elements that drive innovation and deliver robust, reliable, and reliable software. What does software mean? A software is basically a set of instructions that lead to development of required project. Now here we can use for software project management, you can use agile methodologies. What does this mean? It is an iterative development. Agile approaches embrace incremental progress with frequent feedback loops to adapt and improve the product. That is, at each level of development, there is a feedback taken in order to see how is the process. Since it is an iterative process, that means it repeats again and again, the efficiency increases with every step. And here, the development is based on the progress in the software or the coding part rather than a non-technical aspect. Functional collaboration. What does this mean? Agile team works together across disciplines to align on shared goals and deliver value rapidly. Now, version control and collaboration. What does this include? It includes commit changes. Developers commit code changes to a shared version control system. Merge branches. Team members collaborate by merging their work into a central code base. Review and discuss so this includes code reviews, which help ensuring quality and foster collective understanding. So this is all about the version collaboration. Then you have code quality and testing, which is an important part in software. It includes unit tests, which includes automated unit tests, which catch regressions and ensure individual component work as expected. So unit test focuses on the bits, the tiniest bits, whereas integration testing includes validate how different models work together, identify integration and integrating integration issue earlier. Then you have code linting, which includes static code analysis tool, enforce coding standards, and catch common errors. Now, continuous integration and deployment, which includes, first of all, build. That is when you have a client who and their requirement, you need to build. So in that, you have automated builds, ensure the code base is always in a deployable state. That means it is always in a state of building something. Deployable means when it can be deployed from a source to the destination. Then you have test. So this includes automated test to validate whether the code has an integrity or not. Then you have deploy, which is continuous deployment, enables fast and frequent uh, software updates to the end users. Debugging and troubleshooting. Now, this is very important in order to check whether the code is working properly. Reproduce the issue. Carefully reproduce the problem to understand the root cause. Analyze logs and metrics. Dive into log metrics and monitoring data. Then you have isolate the cause. Methodologically eliminate potential sources of the issue. Implement the fix. Test the this and deploy the solution to resolve the problem. Security and scalability. This includes implement robust security measures to protect against threats, monitor system health and performance to identify potential issues. Scalability, design systems that can adapt and scale to meet growing demands. Now, continuous learning and professional development. This includes 50 plus workshop. Attend regular workshops to stay up to date to latest tools and techniques. 10K plus online courses we already have available. Leverage from online courses and tutorials and attend conferences to learn from the experts themselves. As we have seen agile methodologies or agile method, let's look at the agile principles. So, firstly, we have customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. That is the first principle. There are 12 principles which ensures delivery of valuable software to customer earlier and frequent to ensure their needs are met. Welcoming changes requirement, embrace change even late in the development process to avoid customer to provide customer with a competitive advantage, deliver working software frequently, prefer shorter time frames, weeks or month to deliver working increments of the product. That means you ensure that the product that have been is being developed, it meets the need of the client. Collaboration between business and developers, foster daily communication and collaboration between business stakeholders and developers throughout the project. Build project around motivated individuals. As one says, a team is makes the project together stays together. Provide team members with the tools, trust and environment needed to succeed and support motivation. Face-to-face communication to avoid any kind of confusion. Use direct communication as the most effective way to convey information within the team. Working software as the primary measure of progress. The measure of progress is, again, as I mentioned earlier, is technical aspect. Focus on delivering functional software as uh, it is the most tangible measure of progress. Sustainable development, maintain a pace that the team can sustain indefinitely, promoting a healthy work life balance. And then you have the ninth principle, technical excellence and good design. Invest in quality core and throughout the design to enhance agility and reduce long term costs. Simplicity is essential. Optimize work by focusing only on what's necessary to deliver value, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Organizing team. So self-organizing team ensure that the team can make decision to organize their own work and take ownership of the product. Reflection and adaptation. Regularly reflect on the performance and adapt processes to improve efficiency and effectiveness. I hope you have understood the software. I hope you have understood this topic. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.